stupid. Oh, I'm not afraid to be. I love to be stupid with Stupid Monkey.
Well, how is it?
No dice, QT. The pool is so hot, Frodo could destroy the ring in it. I think it just hit infinity degrees outside. Do you smell food cooking?
Yeah, it's... Piggy, you are literally roasting!
Ah! I'm not even properly seasoned. We gotta do something, Stoop.
I've got a crazy idea.
Shrink ourselves down and live in the freezer.
Insult the sun until it goes away?
Speed up time until it's winter.
Sorta. Yeah.
This is so cool.
Terrible puns aside. He's right. Penguins got it good.
Ooh, food is kinda lacking, huh?
I'm gonna puke.
Oh man,
I'm
that's
gonna
pretty
puke.
sticky.
What is that?
Yeah, that's terrible.
Who's up for vegan? I could get used to this.